Hello everyone, Natalie here from Serpwizz. We're back again with another video explaining all the tools and features that comes with registering for an account with SEMRUSH. But before we go ahead and move on to our topic for today, I just want you all to explore our lead generation tool in Serpwizz by heading over, of course, to serpwizz.com. It is a lead generation tool for any agencies looking to get white label audits for their website. It's a very useful tool, and you would absolutely want to check it out because it is one that will help you generate thousands of dollars per month with autopilot. So I'm also going to be leaving a link down below for a free guide that shows you how to achieve that. With that being said, let's go ahead and discuss what's in store for us today with SEMrush. So we're pretty much done with the whole SEMrush series. Today we're just gonna go over and talk about some of their extra tools, not really in depth, but just to show you guys what else is there, what aside from all the core tools that SEMrush offers. So some of these we have discussed in dedicated videos, like content marketplace, outline builder, tools for Amazon, custom reports, and surround sound. So these are tools that I have discussed in separate videos, but today we'll be going over the other tools. I believe these are third-party tools. We're gonna have to check on that a bit more later on. But yep, today we're gonna be talking about Impact Hero and Prowly. So without further ado, let's go ahead and click this link for Impact Hero. So here we have the landing page for Impact Hero. So as they claim, it is an impactful analytics for content marketing heroes. So it is actually an AI tool that helps you break down your content by buyer journey stages, detects the most impactful copy, and gives tips on reinforcing your effort. So it is a personal customer journey analyst. Using a special tracking code, it scans the entire content of your site and provides AI-driven recommendations on improving your content strategy stage by stage. So isn't that amazing? Like, you have a tool that scans the entirety of your content in your website just to make sure that all of your strategies are being implemented well and effectively. So that's the primary goal for Impact Hero. It identifies your content power zones and strengthen your business, because of course we all know how important content is to businesses, especially those who are functioning online. So it helps you assess your content funnel, analyze content with AI, looking at or help you look at the big picture of your content marketing efforts. Of course, you sometimes you need an extra set of hands in this, or extra set of eyes to see or to analyze if your efforts are being directed properly, or maybe you're just wasting efforts on something that is not really thriving. So with the help of Impact Hero, you'd be able to guarantee that everything that you're doing in terms of your content is bearing fruit. So of course, it also allows your team to focus on what is best for your business, and that is something that we all want, right? Yep, here you will not be automatically trial. So this is trial period. If you want, of course, to go ahead and head on over to SEMrush.com and access Impact Hero from there, and you can utilize this tool with a free trial, of course, just to see it for yourself, have a feel of it. So another thing that it does, it allows you to take full control of your content with smart features. So what are these smart features? One of that is customer journey mapping. So it allows you to see the user flow of the whole content funnel or buyer journey, of course. And this important factor that helps you track performance of your content in terms of type and length. So of course, we all have, our websites have different types of content as well as length of every, like for example, articles and stuff like that. So you would see which ones are doing best and which ones need improvement by utilizing Impact Hero. And then here you have traffic sources, which helps you analyze customer journey by traffic or by finding top performing channels, and as well as data-driven insights. With the help of their AI algorithms, it helps you to identify the areas for improvement and highlight them directly in the tool interface. So it's gonna look something like this once you utilize the tool. By utilizing or by using this tool, you only need to do this quick 4 steps. Of course, enter your domain, install the code by using Google Tag Manager, and allow some time to process, of course, the input and everything. And then finally, you will be given the results to allow you to explore all of the insights that have been gathered. Here's just some testimonials. So if you want to sign up for a free trial, definitely go ahead and do so. Of course, it's not gonna, you're not gonna lose anything by registering in a free trial, but you're actually getting something which is very crucial for your business. And that is Impact Hero. So, yep, that is it for me today. We'll be doing the other extra tool that I have mentioned earlier in another separate video, because I did not expect this to be as long as it was, or it turned out to be. So do watch out for the next video about the other extra tool that comes with SEMRUSH. But yep, I just want to remind you all again to have a quick look or have an explorative look at Serpwizz.com and our lead generation tool, because I want to brag that you're gonna be wanting to use that to get the white label audits of your website and generate thousands of dollars per month. So without further ado, I just want to thank you all for watching and see you guys on the next video.